Before we get started, we need to get a few pieces of information off the printer. We are going to go to the settings screen, and first place we're going to go is System, Version Checking. Firmware version is 1.1.5.5, so that is one of the versions that I have tested this on. Back out of there, go to Network, write down your IP address. Mine's 192.168.1.239. Next, we're going to go to General, and we're going to scroll down to Root Account. And so we will click the toggle, click the checkbox. Now it's going to make us wait 30 seconds before it lets us hit OK so we can see the password. Hit OK. Tells us the account name is root and the password is Creality_2024 with Creality all in lowercase. If you hit OK, it brings you back to this screen, which tells you all the information you need to know. So that's everything we need to get off the printer. We can go on to the next step, which is setting up MOBA Xterm or the SSH terminal.